Ma'am, kumusta? How are you supporting Kong Goma for his comeback movie?
Well, I'm very glad he's able to do this, no? Kahit ang dami niyang ginagawang iba. It's been 7 years since he was last on screen, so I'm happy that it is this project for him.
Kuya Goma, how excited are you? Ipapalabas at mapapanood ng public.
Natutuwa ako na we have a wonderful movie. And natutuwa ako na marami rin excited na tao na mapanood ng Sandwich Land. Parang timing lang na timing yung mga storya, mga mangyayari sa present time. Oo, parang masaya. Diba?
Mary Lucy, magbabalik showbiz ba?
I don't think so. I think he has his hands full, but he will be able to do projects like this every so often, maybe, at most.
Support lang mo.
I'm very lucky na very supportive yung wife ko sa akin.